Welcome students to Sneha Coaching Academy. Hello friends, today our topic is differentiation. Now what is differentiation? Now the process of finding a function that outputs the rate of change of one variable with respect to another variable. Now let's see one example. Suppose a car is moving, so its position changes with time. Suppose there is a car just moving, so at point A and at point B. Suppose this, to cover the distance till A, car needs t1 time, and to cover the distance B, it requires t2 time. So here the position of car till point A, suppose the distance is x1, and to cover the distance x2, that is till B, is the time required is t2. So we can see that the position of the car is changing with respect to time. So x will be the function of time t. X will be the function of time t, that is distance distance is one variable and it is changing with respect to another variable, that is t. It can also be written as dx by dt, or you can represent it as x is equal to function of t. This is the differentiation function. Similarly, we can say that speed changes with respect to time. Speed changes with respect to time. So its function will be ds by dt. ds by dt. Speed changes with respect to time. So the process of finding a function that outputs the rate of change of one variable with respect to another. So rate of change of one variable with respect to another is the differentiation. Now let's see some derivatives of standard functions. Suppose if there is a function x raised to n, so its derivative will be n x raised to n minus 1. n x raised to n minus 1. Suppose we are given the function x cube. We have to find the derivative of x cube. So n over here is 3. n over here is 3. So n times, that is 3 times x raised to n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So our derivative will be 3x raised to 2. If there is x raised to 4 function, so the n will be 4. So the derivative will be n times x raised to n minus 1. n over here is 4. So 4 times x raised to 4 minus 1, that will be 4x raised to 3. That is 4x cube. Next is 1 upon x. 1 upon x, derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of 1 upon x raised to n. This is minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Minus n upon x raised to n plus 1. Suppose we are given to find the derivative of 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square. So n over here is 2. n is 2. So minus n, that is minus 2 upon x raised to n plus 1. n is 2. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So answer will be minus 2 upon x cube. minus 2 upon x cube. If function given is 1 upon x cube, so n over here will be 3. So minus 3 upon x raised to n plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 will be 4. If 1 upon x raised to 4 is given, so n will be 4. So that will be minus n, that is minus 4 upon x raised to n plus 1. 4 plus 1 will be 5. So this will be the derivative of 1 upon x raised to 4. Next is 1 square root of x. Square root of x, derivative of square root of x will be 1 upon 2 root x. E raised to x, derivative of e raised to x will be e raised to x. For a raised to x, it will be a raised to x log a. Suppose we are given 3 raised to x. We have to find the derivative of 3 raised to x. So it will be 3 raised to x log 3, because a is 3. If it is given 4 raised to x, a over here is 4. So it will be 4 raised to x log 4. A is 4. So it will be 4 raised to x log 4. Next is log x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and derivative of log x to the base a. If there is given the base for the log, so it will be 1 upon x log a. X log a. Sin x, derivative of sin x. Sin x is cos x. For cos x, it will be minus sin x. For tan x, it is sec square x. For sec x, it is sec x into tan x. For cosec x, it will be minus cosec x into cot x. And for cot x, it will be minus cosec square x. Okay, you have to remember these derivatives to solve the sums. Now let's see some operations on derivation, derivative functions. For example, addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of derivative functions. Addition and subtraction of derivative functions. Suppose we are given the function x cube. We are given the function y is equal to x cube minus 2x plus 1. X cube minus 2x plus 1. We have to find the derivative of function y. So dy by dx is equals to x cube. We have seen the function x raised to n, derivative of x raised to n is n times x raised to n minus 1. N times x raised to n minus 1. So derivative of x cube will be n, that is 3. X raised to 3 minus 1 will be 2. So derivative of x cube will be 3x square minus 2 into x. Derivative of x is 1. So 2 into 1 plus derivative of constant. Any constant is always 0. Derivative of constant is always 0. So derivative of 1 will be 0. So our answer will be 3x square minus 2 into 1 is 2. So derivative of x cube minus 2x plus 1 will be 3x square minus 2. Let's see the example, that is e raised to x plus log x minus cos x plus sec x. So this is function y. So dy by dx is equals to, now the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, plus derivative of log x will be 1 upon x, minus derivative of cos x is minus sin x, that is minus sin x, plus derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. So our final derivative will be e raised to x plus 1 upon x, minus minus will be plus sin x plus sec x into tan x. This is our answer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.